Time is a valuable asset, especially for those with severe epidermolysis bullosa, EB for short. It happens when you're missing a protein that binds skin together. When it's severe, skin blisters and shears off easily, inside the body and out. And every day is full of pain, because EB creates other life-threatening issues. At EB Research Partnership, we are trying to find a cure quickly so that children suffering with EB today can grow up to live full, pain-free lives. The Key Venture Philanthropy. That means we don't just write checks and hope for the best. We invest in projects that could result in a meaningful therapy or a potential cure in the next 3 to 5 years. We help prove that it's commercially viable. And if a therapy or product succeeds, we share in that success. Here's an example. We've worked with the university to develop a treatment for severe EB that corrects gene mutations in skin cells. When a public company uses that intellectual property to make a treatment, we receive stock in the company. And that stock can grow to be worth multiples beyond our original investment, earning potentially several $million in additional funds for the EB Research Partnership. That allows us to fund even more research now to expedite finding a cure. It's a hopeful time. Thanks to partners and collaborators, more EB trials will happen in the next 3 years than in the last 10 years combined. There are about 30,000 people in the US suffering from EB. Those with the most severe forms don't have decades to wait, but they're not alone. They're part of a much larger community that could benefit from a cure. The technology EB researchers are developing could be applied towards thousands of other rare, incurable genetic diseases that affect 32 million people in the US. That's 10% of the nation's population. Researchers believe a cure for EB could potentially unlock keys to curing these other diseases too. So your donation can go a really, really long way. It could give time back to those who need it most. We know that one day, with your help, the time for EB will be up. Please, give generously.